Traditional remedies like plants and herbs have been used for generations. Many cultures believe these remedies can support fertility and pregnancy health. It's important to remember that these should not replace medical advice. Under professional guidance, they can complement modern treatments successfully. Consider trying raspberry leaf tea to nourish the uterus. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried raspberry leaves in hot water for 10 minutes. This tea can be enjoyed once or twice daily. Maca root is another popular ingredient for fertility support. Blend 1 teaspoon of maca root powder with a banana and almond milk. Add honey for sweetness and drink it in the morning. Chasteberry infusion can be beneficial as well. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried chasteberry in boiling water for 15 minutes. Nettle leaf tea is another excellent choice, aiding in nutrient absorption. Turmeric and ginger tonic can reduce inflammation effectively. Drink this soothing mixture in the evening for best results. Consult a doctor if you experience recurrent miscarriages. Finding the right support and treatments can lead to healthy pregnancies. Understanding causes and natural remedies can empower women greatly. With the right approach, many can achieve successful births. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe.